Welcome! Welcome to Bella Bin's Chinese Food Kitchen. In today's kitchen, I'm going to share with you a chicken and mung bean sprout chow mein recipe. The main ingredients are egg white noodles, mung bean sprouts, and chicken breast, and the other ingredients are shown on this photo. First, I remove the roots and clean the mung bean sprouts. Then I cut the peppers. Cut the peppers into small strips. The red bell pepper is a sweet one, but the long green one is a hot one. So they are good combinations. So they give us the nice taste. The mung bean sprout is the one I grow by myself. If you want to know how to grow mung bean sprouts at home by yourself, you can watch my last movie. It is very easy. You can do it by yourself. Now my vegetables are ready. Then next step, I cut garlic into small slices and cut ginger into thin slices too. And cut chicken breast into small thin slices. You see, the chicken breast is still little frozen, so it is easy to cut. Next, marinate chicken breast. Add in light soya sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, white pepper powder, potato starch, then egg white. Stir, stir, mix everything well. Set it aside. This egg white noodle is the one I use for this plate. This whole box is 400 grams. I only use half of it. That is 200 grams. I prepared 1 liter of boiling water in this Dutch oven to boil the noodles. Since the noodles are tiny noodles, it only takes about 1 minute. I checked. There's no hard white point in the middle, so the noodle is good to take out. We cannot boil them too long. If they are too soft, it's not good for stir fry. Okay, take them out and soak them in the boiled, but now it's cold water for a few seconds. Then take them out, put them in the plate. Heat half tablespoon of oil in this wok over medium heat. Then add in the marinated chicken breast. I use the chopsticks as well as the wooden turner to separate the chicken breast. You see, the chopsticks and the wooden turner, they cooperated very well. Now, all the chicken breast slices become individual ones. Then we stir fry until all of them change color to white. Stir fry a little bit longer until the outside of the slices become a little brown color. Now it's good, well cooked. We turn off the heat, then transfer them to our plate. It totally takes about 2 minutes to do the stir fry of the chicken breast. Now we use the same wok. Put back on the heat. Now we use the low heat. Add in about 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add in the garlic and the ginger. Stir fry. Now turn the heat to medium heat. Then add in the peppers. Stir fry a little bit. Then add in mung bean sprouts. Stir fry. Oh, we still need use the chopstick and the turner together. Make sure the bean sprouts are stir fried. Now we add in the noodles. Stir fry the noodles with the vegetables together. Yeah, we use both the chopsticks and the wood turner to make the noodles loose. Okay, now we add in the light soya sauce. Add in oyster sauce. Then do a little bit stir fry. Mix everything well. Then add in dark soya sauce. Mix nice color. Stir fry. Now we add in the chicken breast slices. Then we stir fry everything in the wok. Wow, they're looking so nice. Really nice colors. Okay, now everything well cooked. We turn off the heat and ready to do a transfer. Now we transfer the chow mein to this plate. Wow, cannot wait to eat. They're looking delicious. Wow, it's really a wonderful plate. Okay, now I'm ready to try. Take some noodles to my bowl. Take some bean sprouts and some meat and peppers. Okay, now let me try for you. Wow, they're really delicious. I wish you try this recipe. Make your yummy chow mein. How do you like my recipe? If you like my recipe, don't forget to subscribe my channel or give me some comments about my recipe. Thank you for your coming. Take care, keep well. See you next time.